Hello and welcome to a video about my 2 litre common rail diesel Chrysler Sebrings oil pump balance shafts. Now this is a common rail diesel, it's the Volkswagen 2 litre, it's common to a lot of cars. I believe the Mark IV Golf, some of the Passats and Audis run the same engine. And from what I've been told, this issue I've had with my one is a common issue. What will happen is your oil light will go on. Let's put that around the right way and get it zoomed in. There we go. What will happen is when you're driving along, your oil light will flick on, and shortly after that your car will go into limp mode. And if, as like I did, you try to limp it to a petrol station to get oil, your brake pedal will eventually go hard, and if you drive it after that, you'll probably hear your turbo start to scream, and that's generally the end of your turbo. Now apparently this is a very, very common problem on anything that uses this engine. What you've got here, this unit, it sits on the bottom of the engine in the sump, and on the other side of it, if you can see, is the oil pickup. My missus is going to kill me over that oil. And as the engine runs, these gears down here are driven directly off of the well, it's the camshaft. There's got a big gear on the end of that, and it spins. Can you see them? These two poppers here, these two bad boys, these things here, they're balance weights. And their job is to damp out vibration in the engine. And what actually goes, if you can look just here, just the tip of my fingernail, what looks like a, you can't really see it I guess, but what looks like an Allen key is the oil pump balance drive shaft. And it goes into this brassy coloured metal thing here. And what commonly happens is that over the course of the car time being on the road, this thing will be spinning round, and that shaft, there we go, see if we can get it to zoom in on it. If you look, it doesn't turn at all. The reason it's not turning is because over time it's worn off the edges on the Allen key shaped piece of material, so now there's no drive at all to your oil pump. There you go, you can get a little bit of movement if I flick it backwards and forwards, but certainly not enough to give you oil pressure. So that is the biggest problem, and this unit here is basically buggered. I'm going to be sending this one off tomorrow to a company up north. I can't remember their name at the moment, otherwise I'll give them a plug, who will send me back a remachined one which will have an improved set of balance shafts made out of a harder steel, and they'll be slightly longer to carry more load. So there you go, that is a Volkswagen common rail diesel oil pump balance shaft assembly, non-functional. Thank you for watching.